This is Jessica Sanders from the happiest blog on earth. I am here at the Disneyland Hotel giving you a tour of a standard room. This has 2 queen beds and also a pull-out twin bed. So of course we have the welcoming look and that famous Disneyland Hotel headboard, which features Sleeping Beauty Castle. Disneyland Hotel is perfect for guests looking for that nostalgic Disneyland feel. You'll see even the throw pillows are a nod to Disney classics. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. There's 2 bedside lamps off to the side, and then we have the lamp clear in the center. And what better way to celebrate the history of Disneyland Resort than a prominent picture of Walt Disney himself strolling through Sleeping Beauty Castle. At the end of a day in Disneyland, you can flip the switch here where it plays a song and has a little fireworks show to wish you good night. How wonderful is that, putting you to sleep at night? And you can choose to leave those firework lights on throughout the night as kind of a little night light. We have a chair here with a lamp, and our room overlooks the Disneyland pool and those famous monorail slides right out these huge picturesque windows. And my kids are swimming down in that pool right now. I can actually see them right there having fun in the pool where we're doing a cabana day. You can reserve those cabanas there. Let's get back to the room. Just behind us, we have a nice couch area, and that does fold out into a twin bed. So this can accommodate 5, and that is what we are doing today. 1 flat screen TV. We have the 3 drawers there. There is a coffee maker, and we have the mini fridge there, which is a little bit bigger than some of the other hotels because some of them are more of a half size. Over here we have closet space that opens right up to have extra bedding and those robes. You can buy those robes as well. They have some in the gift shop here at Disneyland Hotel. There are 3 towers here at the Disneyland Hotel offering the accommodations for you and your family. Then in the bathroom, there's lots of touches, Disney touches and Disney magic here. So we have a double vanity. If you can see those little Mickeys on the faucet right there. Mickey Mouse hands holding up the lamp. Also Mickey silhouettes there. This room offers a shower and tub. A lot of the rooms at the Grand Californian don't have tubs, so that's important to note. And this does have the bathroom area with a door, so you can have somebody using the toilet, using the shower, or getting ready in the double vanity area, which definitely gives you a little bit more room to work around and get ready in the morning. The desk area there, and again, overlooking the pool today, we really lucked out on our view. And I cannot wait to go to bed under the fireworks and Sleeping Beauty Castle tonight at the Disneyland Hotel. Again, I'm Jessica from thehappiestblogonearth.com. Visit the Happiest Blog on Earth for more Disneyland vacation tips, discount tickets, and all of the reviews on area hotels, places to eat inside of Disneyland, and really just how to have the best Disneyland vacation yet.